And we are back from Bulls Farm, Maryland. Had an eventful weekend down there. Had some issues with the mower. Definitely had some issues with my truck getting down there. Everyone had a big issue with the weather. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't like this down there. It was pretty much like this Friday night, and then this Saturday night. Fortunately though, we did have good enough weather to get in some racing. So check out these clips from Bulls Farm, Clements, Maryland. This is a national USLMRA race down there.
The clutch and the pedal, brake pedal, completely the other way around.
I tried not to touch him.
You tried not to touch
Out of the way of it, yeah. Just the throttle and
full
everything.
throttle, into the corner,
Yeah.
as fast as you go.
Yeah.
You guys on the tractor, that's the party back there, number 2 turns. You gotta get it in.
right, 923, 409.
Couple nasty spills in those races. They're both going to be all right. No major issues, luckily. So yeah, my mower was fast when it was running. I was really happy with it, especially with one of the carburetors. I did a little adjustments on it, and man, I was happy with it. But I think the root of all my problems were I don't have a fuel pump, and I just feel like I was running out of fuel. And I switched carbs to one I always used to use, and it ran out of fuel, but it took longer because it's a stock carburetor. So that's what I'm thinking. It's a lot bigger track down there. You're turning a lot more RPMs for a sustained period of time. So I'm thinking that was my problem. And then, you know, I messed around with a gearbox trying to shift on the fly and stuff when I was having carburetor issues. So I think I ended up ruining 2 transmissions as well. But you know, lessons learned. But yeah, like I said, I felt like the speed was there. But I just gotta make sure that everything's tuned in right for the next race. So yeah, this is the state of my my garage, and look at the state of my other mower here, man. This is a mess. But yeah, I've been grinding to get that other one ready for the race I just got back from. So next on deck is getting the BP going. I still gotta get the motor back, put the motor together, and I want to lower the fender. So I'm gonna have to do all that in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So this is USLMRA's 25th season. And a lot of this event I just got back from was commemorating that. And part of that process was they had a bunch of British guys come over. They've been racing over there longer than we have here. So a bunch of those guys came over, got to meet them, talk to them. They're cool guys, great to have them over. And they actually did pretty darn good in the races too. I think they won both of the races that we did the head-to-head American versus British. So that was a great time to meet them. So for now, I'll just wash up the new paint on the mower. I only got like 1 scratch, I think, so it's still gonna look pretty good. And work on the BP, but thanks for watching. Until next time, catch you guys in the Jantic Journal.